Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in the previous video we have learned the stack concepts. So in this video we will understand the stack program line by line. So I will write the code for you. So after writing the code I will explain each line step by step. So let me type the code. So let me fast forward from here. So I have written the code successfully. So let me explain each line step by step. So first line is our header file. So this header file contains the functions like printf and scanf, which all of you familiar. So on the next line we have created a array named stack that can store the 5 elements. So on the next line we have created int top equal to -1. So top is assigned -1. So initially the stack is empty. So now we're gonna see about push function with parameters int value. So I have given int value as parameter because this means whenever we call push, we directly sends the element. In main function I have written push 10, that means the value 10 is received by the parameter value. So let us see the what is inside the push function. We have created if condition else condition. So top equal to 4, so printf stack is under means stack is overflow. Since the stack is size is 5, the last valid index is 4. If top becomes 4, the stack is full. This is the condition checks for stack overflow. So otherwise, the top is incremented. That means first top moves to the next position. So then the value is stored. So stack top equal to value, and that the value will be printed. The value is pushed into the stack. So I have created new line here for good visualization. So for in the next turn we have created a pop operation. So first the this function gonna checks whether the stack is empty or not. If it is empty means it's gonna display stack is equal to underflow. Means if the stack is empty means the top is obviously equal to -1. So that's why it prints the stack is equal to underflow. So if this condition is false, we're going to move else condition. So we are printing the top value of the stack. So percentile d is popped from, that means stack is top, and the top is decremented because we are removing one element from the top. So in this removing the one element from the stack, that means the top will be decreased. So this is the pop function. Now we're going to see the peak function. So peak function means the top element in the stack. So first it's going to check like a pop element, it's going to check whether the stack is empty or not. If it is empty means it's going to close stack is empty. In the else condition we are going to print the top element, that means the stack top equal to something the value. So percentile d is top element. So it simply shows the element at the top position, no element is removed. So now let us see the display function. So it is also same as the peak function. It gonna first checks the whether the stack is empty or not. If it is empty means it gonna close stack is empty. In the else condition, so this loop starts from the top. So I have created from the top, so stack elements int I equal to top, whether the I is greater than or equal to 0, I is decrement. So it moves downwards. This prints all stack elements from top to bottom. So now so this is the display function. Now let us come to the main function. So we have written push 10, push 20, push 30. So these statements insert the elements after insertion. 30 is at top and 20 is below it and 10 is at the bottom. So now we are going to see display. So it gonna prints the output like 30, 20, 10, and next peak. It gonna shows the top element, and the pop element will be the element is removed from the stack and it gonna displace. So let me run this code. So we have successfully run the code. We have got the output here. So first let me see. So first we have created main function push 10. So 10 is pushed in the stack. So on the second function we have created push 20. So we have created, so it displays 20 is pushed in stack. On the next one we have created push 30. So that means it has created 30 is pushed in the stack. So we have called display function. So stack elements are 30, 20, 10. So this is a display element. On the next one we have created peak. So 30 is the top element. So it displays 30 is top element. So on the next one we have pop the 30, means we are popping the top element. So 30 is pop, and we have again created the display function. So stack elements are 20 and 10. So let me give, suppose if I am not given a semicolon, let me run this code. So we have got an array. So this is very important in C programming, that the semicolons are very important. If you not given semicolons, it's gonna throw error. So C is a case sensitive language. So we have got our output again. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.